Diva Mom Creations. As you see right here, I have a package that I'm going to unbox and do a review on it. So stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, so it says Caydo, I think that's how you pronounce it. It says, where is your fun, there is our business. Is your fun, there is our business. I don't know about that, but CaydoOnline.com. That's where you can get it. It's a pretty small package, as you can see. Let's see, it's supposed to be 78 pieces in here, and it says Caydo 78 pieces do-it-yourself soap bee crafting your own Fizzies new. Well, I'm not gonna use it for soap making, but I am gonna use it for my bath bombs. And let's see, comes with this. I don't know, it's that little string paper that you put like inside baskets or stuff like that. Let's open this up. Time for the opening. There we go. Oh. So yeah, it's just string paper. Not bad. And then next we have pipettes. 2, 4, 6, 8. I think it came with 10, but I had to use one already. Oops. So yeah, it comes with 10, but there are 9 here. And then let's see, it comes with little baggies, the heat bags. This is what you would put your bath bomb. And probably cut it a little bit from the top and then use your heat gun to make them shrink wrap to the size of the bath bomb. Cool. And it's, I believe it's like 50 bags in here, maybe more. It looks like there's a lot of them. And then there is some little measuring cups here. Let's see, this one's a 1.5, a 0.5, and a 2.5. I want to say this is a 1.5 tablespoon. No, it's not a tablespoon. Maybe it is a tablespoon. I don't know. It doesn't really give you tablespoons or teaspoons or anything, but these are super cute. They're pink. Of course, you know my favorite color is pink. So I love it so far. Alright, so continuing, we have the molds for the bath bomb. This is a super small one. Look at how cute that is. Look. Super small. Yay! And then we have one medium. If I can pull them apart. There we go. Just like some type of oil in there. Okay. And this is a medium size. Compared to this one, look at this. See? Small, medium. And then, there's one of the small and one of the mediums, but then on this one, there's 2 sets of the large bath bombs. Look at the size of this puppy. Look. This is the medium. And the large. And the small. Look at this. Big difference. Alright, so far I'm liking this. Oh, look at how cute. There's a little wooden spoon. Look. I guess to mix everything in. And then Caydo do-it-yourself bath bomb mold. Let's see, I guess it gives us some bath bomb mold. Instructions, the steps. Not bad. It does come with some Caydo handmade for you stickers. Probably not going to be using these because, as you can see, it has the Caydo name here. So this is definitely not handmade by me. So I am not going to be using these, but I'm pretty sure I can use them for something else because the colors of these stickers are super cute. And then this one, Caydo, where there is fun, there are They are our business. And then this one has another website. It says amazon.com/shops/Caydo. Caydo, dear valued customer, it is a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for shopping in our store. Your shopping experience is very important to us, so we would like to invite you to leave a positive feedback and review to us. It only takes a moment and is a great way to help others make purchases like yours. Your satisfaction will encourage us going further. Once you receive this item, if you are satisfied with the product, maybe you can share the product with your friends and family. Leave a positive feedback and product review to us. If you are not satisfied with this product, please contact us before leaving negative feedback or review. Definitely. I don't know about that. We will try our best to resolve problem for you. We are looking forward to assist you in the future. Thank you for your support. Yours sincerely, Caydo Customer Service Team. Well, guys, this is a pretty cute note. As you can see, I am doing a review right now. I will definitely tag Caydo when I do this. And so far, I am pretty happy with all the stuff I got. As you guys know, I did introduce bath bombs to my shop. I will link my shop website down below. If you guys are interested in going in and taking a look at any of the cute stuff I've done so far, you just make sure you click on that link. So hopefully these will be perfect for the bath bombs that I'm going to be making. And I've already made some, not with any of this supplies. I have my own, and that's why I decided to order a little more, because my business is growing and I'm really excited about that. So just make sure you like my page, you share it, and you give it a thumbs up, so you can get notifications when I upload any new videos. I will be uploading some bath bombs in the future to put all these little things to use. I will definitely tag it also. So if you have any questions or comments, or if you have any suggestions of what video I should be making next, go ahead and comment below, and I will definitely consider it. But as of right now, this little 78-piece package that I received, pretty tiny little box, but it did carry everything in here from Caydo. I will definitely give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate their business, and I will be putting it to use pretty soon. Once again, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. See ya!